You can automate invoice processing without any technical skill very quickly and easily. Thank you Beam AI for sponsoring this video. On Beam AI's platform, I can just type with simple language what I wanted to create. For example, an invoice processing AI agent that's gonna take invoices, extract data, validate it, route approvals, and integrate it with the accounting system. As soon as I send this image, it's gonna start understanding what I want. Now you can create any type of agent here: email processing, data entry, HR management, and it can be used by anybody in the company without any technical skills. So I'm just gonna say create after I describe what I need. I can also give it feedback and say change this, change that. It's gonna autonomously launch this interface and you'll see how my agent starts appearing out of thin air. So first, Beam suggested steps for my agent, and I can provide feedback, but I'm just gonna say this looks good, and now let it create it. We can always edit our agent later as well. And now all of these nodes and processes appeared out of thin air, all of that generated by Beam based on my language description. In the first node, it's gonna retrieve the invoice, so it's using this tool to retrieve an invoice. Now you may also change the tool yourself, but for now this is the correct tool. But you can connect it to your email, to your CRM, to Google Sheets, Airtable, whatever you want. In the second step, it's gonna extract data from this invoice, and as I said, it's automatically generating all of these steps, and I could tell it what to change, or I could change myself as well. And this works for any type of business automation, operations, customer support, data processing, whatever you can imagine, you can do it with Beam. After data extraction, it goes to validation, and then there is branching. Branching is very simple. You can just type with natural language, if data is valid, go to this route, and if data is not valid, you can exit, or we can create some other nodes here, what to do with invalid data. And I could just type in natural language, if the invoice is about cars, then also exit. And let's say at the end, I want our invoice analysis to be saved to CRM. So I can insert a step and I can just say, save the invoice analysis to our CRM, and that's it. Now I'm gonna say match tool. It's gonna find the tool. It's gonna find our CRM automatically. I can also easily set the tool myself manually here. So if it's not Google Sheets, let's say I want Airtable, I can just search here and select it. And Beam AI will automatically know how to use this tool, what data to send and how, and it will generate the data necessary to insert, let's say, a new row into this table. So you don't need to think about any of that. Beam AI can be used by business people, sales people, operations people, marketing, and any other non-technical stuff. You may automate data entry, data processing, emails, customer support, refund decisions, financial decisions, order processing, and anything else. So go to beam.ai/see a demo or click the link in the description below the video to request access and start automating.